go with match 2, game 2. This hand looks fine. I'm not going to mull that. Our opponent chose to play first. And there we go. Got our mana. We're definitely hoping to top deck a land there, so that's good to see that white. We have to speed up play a little bit here because it took us so long to, oh, now we see the Plague Singer. We were just talking about sideboarding something out for that, but that's okay. We'll go ahead and run the Silvermere out there. Unfortunately, this Tanglangler isn't as good against poison. Have to take a counter here. Good thing he didn't have that Darksteel Axe to equip that Plague Stinger. Contagious Nim. So, I really wanted to be able to him not to play anything so we could play this Horizon Spellbomb and sack it. But, we did not have that blessing. So we're going to go ahead and run this Tanglangler out, and if he attacks with Contagious Nim, we'll go ahead and block it. We'll stay up there as a wall for us. Again, the whole thing about poison is just slowing them down. Because they're so fast and aggressive, because every point of damage that they put on you is much more dangerous than just normal damage. Trigon we don't want to see. That's actually what our revoke target was last game, and I don't mind using that as our revoke target now. Play this Spell Bomb, and we'll actually leave all our cards back because if he wants to bash with Contagion in, we can block with Silvermere, and I don't think he's going to trade that. Other option was to bash with the Silvermere and just block with the Tanglangler, but we'll see what he does. I also kind of want to keep this Silvermere so that we can get a blue mana out of this. So yeah, he did not want to trade that, so we were right about that. And he plays Icarats. Necropede. I don't think we can afford to kind of be messing around trying to get that extra land out of here. We got to get that blue online for our Sky Eel School. So I'm going to go and sack now. And then we top deck blue, of course. But we can pitch that blue, so it doesn't really matter. And draw a card, and we will pitch a green. See what our opponent... I don't think we actually saw an Untamed Might out of him last game, so... I think we should be less afraid of that this game than we were last game. Try to mitigate as much damage here as we can. He could finish us with an Untamed Might, but he does not have it again. Corpse Cur, getting the Plague Stinger back. Sylvok Replica is really good right now because we can block and sack. Or we could just block and trying to think if we could get this Suspense online somehow, but I don't think that's going to happen. I'm going to go ahead and just run this out. Well, we could block and arrest on the same turn. I'm trying to think of which one we would want to arrest. Probably the Icarats? Yeah, I'd say the Icarats. I mean, we can destroy either one of these with our Silvok replica, but at the same time, we don't want to him to get that -1/-1 counter with the Necropede. So I'm gonna go ahead and arrest the Necropede because and I guess the way we should tap it is we should leave our green open. So we're not looking good right here, but we're not looking terrible, I guess. And we're definitely gonna block like that. Well, yeah, I think those are the blocks. Good news, if we top deck an artifact, that's not too expensive. Gosh, corpse curs. Was it killing us? Yeah, if we top deck an artifact, we can dispense Justice, Horizon Spellbomb, a Mirror, whatever. And we need that now, so that's not what we were looking for. So yeah, we're gonna have to block with mostly everything now. That's unfortunate, but we'll go ahead and run this force out. Why not? We're definitely not attacking. We still got to deal with that Icarats in his hand. So we're going to go Sky Eel School to Plague Stinger, Silvok Replica to Corpse Cur, and then sack at the other Corpse Cur. Oh, okay, he didn't attack with all of them. I guess he didn't want to trade. But we're still going to block like that with the Silvok Replica anyways. Actually, I'm going to dispense this Corpse Cur now too, because we don't really have another answer to it. It sucks, but Blight Mamba, he's a lot of poison dudes. Okay, so that's a good card to top deck. 2, 3, 4, 5. No equipment to hit, but a 3/4 butt is good. Blight Mama's still gonna pose a problem here. I don't know how we're gonna deal with that. I guess we'll have to block it a couple times. And with 7 minutes and 38 seconds left, we really got to be acting quickly. Trinket Mage, we're definitely going to play pretty much anything that comes out of our hand. And yes, we want to use the ability, get a Spell Bomb, play it. We're going to go ahead and sack it so we can get that land out there. Okay, and we get another land. Get a white, I guess. So Trinket Mage is a good top deck too.